Welcome to the tutorial video number 23. From this video, we start our journey with the assembly feature of SolidWorks. So as I have discussed in the beginning of this tutorial about the interface of the SolidWorks, and when you click on the new, you get three options: part, assembly and drawing. For this videos and further videos, we select the assembly here and we press OK. Now as you can see, this is the basic interface of the assembly feature which opens up. Now it shows you to select a part to open in the assembly or begin the assembly feature. So now I just select this part 1 and press open. And this shows me to place my part anywhere on the workspace I desire to. So if wherever I click, this part will be fixed there. Like I click there, now it is fixed. As you can see here, there are two options on this menu: the part which I just introduced, and the mates option, where all the mates I put in or define will be shown here. And there's an F sign here, which means it's fixed, and there's a minus sign when it is set on the float. We'll talk about this in the upcoming videos. Now this is the basic menu of the assembly, where you have insert components, you have mate option, you have linear patterns and stuffs, and you have move component, rotate component, and you can even add your new planes to this to make your assembly. Now there are different ways to insert the components or start a new assembly. So I'll first show you how to different ways of inserting your components. So the first way to insert a component is you click on these insert components, and then you go on to the browse mirror here, and you can browse any folder or any part you want and select, and then press open. Like if I want to introduce this part, I press it open, and you can place it anywhere you want for now, and then introduce the mates to fix it where you want. Now I'll press this cross button. Now there's another way, like you click open, and you open this part. Now this part is open. Now you go back onto the assembly. Now you can open all the parts you want for the assembly, and then go on to the insert components, and it'll directly show in the open documents area, and you can just click on it and you can introduce it in your workspace. Now the different ways of opening an assembly is the first way we talked about. You just go on to the new part and then new, and then you select the assembly. Now the another way is you open up the part first, and then you go on to the file and you select make assembly from part. Now a new assembly file will open up, and you can place it wherever you want. Like not wherever, it directly get placed on the origin. As you can to view on the origins of this model or the workspace, you can select on the eye and choose the option view origin. Now you can see as there are two different origins of this assembly, and similarly as well here you can see the origins. There are two different origins. Now you can make them coincident also, which we'll talk about in the upcoming mates video. So now the file extensions of SolidWorks assembly and the part files are different. When you click on the browse, you can view the different assembly points extensions. So this is all about the basic interface and inserting components in the assembly feature. So do check out the description box for the quiz and answer them in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe to Start Scratch, and check out our other videos to learn similar skills through our bite-sized content.